Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a community post on YouTube. So go ahead and open your YouTube app, and here's mine. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is just click my channel right here below and click this once again. Alright, now that we are here in our channel, you can just go ahead and scroll this one here, and then you should see here community. Go ahead and press that one, and there you go. So you can just click this one here, and then you can basically type anything in here. Like, hey, what is up everyone? And then there are some options that you can do here. For example, if you're going to click this one here, you can schedule a date, and you can also click this one here in order to set an expiration. And another thing that you can do is click this one here. So this is basically you adding a poll. You can also add image by clicking this one here. Now let's try to go back, discard it. And then the next thing that you can do is just click this one here, and then you can basically add an image to upload. Another thing is this one here. You can basically quiz your community, and then you can add an answer here for an option. So say for example, let's try to go back to the one that we had earlier. So we're going to type here again, hey, what is up everyone? And then we're going to post this one. Alright, there you go. So you can see that now this is actually visible to everyone. And yeah, that's basically it. That is how you're going to share a community post on YouTube.